Hello, my name is Rona and I am from the Philippines. I am a native Cebuano speaker and I am excited to help you achieve your language goals. I have a bachelor's degree in secondary education with a major in English, and I am a licensed professional teacher and recently completed my TEFL certificate, which has prepared me to help students speak English confidently. I am a patient and friendly ESL teacher, passionate about helping students gain confidence in speaking, reading, and writing English for real life. My classes are interactive, supportive, and tailored to your goals, whether it's for travel, work, or daily communication. I am patient, flexible, creative, and I love teaching students. I can talk and understand Cebuano, Filipino or Tagalog, English, and basic Korean. Example sa Cebuano. Tamis kaonon ang cake. Sa Tagalog or Filipino, ang cake ay matamis na pagkain. In English, cake is a sweet food. In Korean, Kikunon tan yumsikhiyeyo. Confidence comes before fluency. Book a trial lesson with me and let's make learning English simple and enjoyable.